Welcome back to the Alabama School Library Association's video chat series. How to participate in a Twitter chat session video series. This is video 2, step 2, setting up your Twitter profile. So, let's begin by get rid of that. We're going to open, and I use Rockmelt. You can use Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, any of those to open up your browser. I just happen to prefer this for my personal use. It is something that I learned about at the Alabama Educational Technology Conference from Leslie Fisher. I'm going to go to Google, and I am going to type in the word Twitter. There is Twitter. Now, in step 1, we set up a new Twitter account. So in step 2, we're going to want to type in our username, the username that we came up with when we set up our new Twitter account, and mine was ASLA Tweeps. And then type in your password. Now, I didn't use best practices when picking out my username for Twitter. Best practices is to use your real name, especially if you're using Twitter as a networking tool to network with other educators. I use this password because, I use this username for Twitter for purely demonstration purposes. But in best practices, I would have used my real name. And now I'm going to click Sign In. Okay. A profile is extremely important in Twitter because this is how people who don't know you will get to know you and decide whether you are someone they want to follow or not follow. So setting up a profile is very important. So we're going to come up into the upper right hand corner where you see your Twitter name and a picture of an egg. Well, nobody wants to make friends with an egg. Eggs are for eating. So we're going to click on that to get the drop down menu and click on Settings. And then we see Account, Password, Mobile, because you can get messages, sent text messages when someone messages you on Twitter, Notifications, and what we want right now is Profile. So we're going to click on Profile. Alright. First thing we want to do is choose a picture to load onto our Twitter file to represent us. Now, a lot of people want to put their children or pictures of kittens or a pencil or something. It's best practices to use an actual picture of yourself. And if not yourself, an avatar of yourself. So I'm going to put an actual picture. Location, that's up to you whether you want to put that. I think it's good to put it because then other educators who are looking for you might want to get together in person to collaborate with you if you live close enough. Web address right here, that's if you want to put the web address of your school website, your library website, or a blog site that you might have. The last thing is your bio. The bio is very important. This lets people know who you are. Like, I am a high school librarian. I am interested in networking and collaborating with other educators. Okay? Something like that. Notice you only have 160 characters, so you have to keep it to 160 characters. You'll click Save. And it's thinking about it. And now our settings have been saved, and you can see there is my picture, and we are done.